Hello, my name is Heidi and I will be talking to you today about the cell and the organelles. I will go through a brief description of each of the organelles. To begin, there's two parts to a cell. There's the cell membrane, which encapsulates the whole cell, and there is the cytoplasm. This cytoplasm is the fluid inside the cell, which has cytosol, and it's comprised of organelles. The cell membrane is once again important for protection. It also allows the cell to communicate, and this membrane is semi-permeable, which means the membrane allows some things to enter or leave while prohibiting others. The first organelle I would like to talk about is the nucleus. The nucleus is the powerhouse of the cell, or the control center. The nucleus holds DNA. The nucleus is encapsulated by a bilayer membrane called the nuclear envelope. Within the nuclear envelope of the nucleus, there is the nucleolus. This is easily distinguishable by a darkening area, and the nucleolus produces ribosomes. The endoplasmic reticulum is comprised of two divisions, the smooth and the rough. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is a continuation of the nuclear envelope, and as you can see, it's easily spotted with ribosomes. As the endoplasmic reticulum, rough, continues, it goes into a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no ribosomes and detoxes the cell. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, on the other hand, makes proteins and phospholipids. The Golgi complex, which looks like pancakes, finishes off proteins and synthesizes carbohydrates. This is like the packing and shipping department of the cell. The Golgi complex is also comprised of vesicles that help transport. Lysosomes are a specialized type of the Golgi vesicle. They're small, hollow pockets and contain digestive enzymes. 50 digestive enzymes. I like to think of them as the sanitation division. They travel through the cell and break down organelles and large particles. One of my favorites that we will talk about next is the mitochondria. The mitochondria is easily spotted within the cell as a bean shape. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell and synthesizes ATP, or energy. I kind of put some big strong arms on him to represent the strength of him in the cell. The mitochondria has his own set of DNA and own ribosomes. So you can see the ribosomes in there. The peroxisomes detoxify the cell. They resemble lysosomes, but they're not produced by the Golgi complex, but they are produced rather by the endoplasmic reticulum. So I'll put the peroxisomes right above the endoplasmic reticulum. Now next I have the centrioles. I've done two different diagrams, one of the longitudinal view and the cross section. I'll put the cross section up first. The centrioles are short cylindrical assembly of microtubules, as you can see, the microtubules. The centrioles are used in cell division. Next, we'll talk about the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton is composed of tube-like structures within the cell. They sort of determine the shape. The cytoskeleton is mostly made up of proteins, of microfilaments, and microtubules. So they can sort of be scattered without sort of like adding a bit of structure to the cell. Next we have cilia, what are hair-like structures. They sort of protect and filter. In the flagellum are tail-like structures, and there will be fewer flagellum than the cilia. Alright, so that's this brief version of cell and its organelles and a brief description of each. Thank you.